gosh, I had such an amazing time at Miss Sylvia's class. She taught me so much. I never knew how to work a machine, but now I do.
Very hands-on. She's very knowledgeable about everything. Everything was very professional. And we left with a lot of tools to help us with our future wig making careers.
It was amazing. She is so wonderful, so helpful. I was supposed to attend the original class in May, but unfortunately, due to circumstances, it didn't happen. But she still saved my deposit and my certificate for me, and I finally got the class done. And I'm so happy and so grateful.
Sylvia, I am so happy that I took her class. I was skeptical, but the money was well worth it. I learned so much. I learned how to use a sewing machine. I know how to make wigs. I just cannot wait to go home and practice. Thank you so much.
It is awesome. Great to be here. Traveled all the way from Calgary. It is so awesome to be here. I've learned so much. Have so much potential, and I am just looking forward to better things. I am so excited. Sylvia is so patient, so understanding.